Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to follow a match on the Cricbuzz app in 2026. First of all, open Cricbuzz in your browser or the app itself. Inside the Cricbuzz, you will now need to navigate to the matches section. Now you will need to select the match you're interested in. Now you will be able to view live scores, commentary, scorecards, player statistics, and match updates. For completed matches, you can also view highlights, reports, and post-match analysis. Some premium features may require Cricbuzz Plus access. And that's it. That's how to use Cricbuzz Match Center. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.